Hi friends, welcome on Yourpedia, and now many of you have got call from IOCL and 28 अगस्त से I think you have your GDPI interviews. That means we still have a week for preparation. Start your preparation as soon as possible. In case you do not have prior experience or practice of GT interviews, then you start doing it as soon as possible with the mentors of Yourpedia. Now this video is related to the case studies. पहले समझो केस स्टडी क्या होता है. बाय द वे दीज केस स्टडीज हैव टेकन फ्रॉम प्रीवियस ईयर्स सच केस स्टडीज आस्क्ड इन द इंटरव्यूज एंड ग्रुप टास्क ऑफ HPCL, IOCL, ONGC एंड दीज काइंड ऑफ ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस जो एनर्जी सेक्टर से रिलेटेड है. इंटरव्यू में जो वो पूछते हैं केस स्टडीज आपसे, केस स्टडीज होती हैं इंडस्ट्रियल प्रॉब्लम्स. सो इंडस्ट्रियल सिचुएशन जो होती हैं, दे गिव यू सम सिचुएशन, सम प्रॉब्लम इन विच ट्रबल शूटिंग इज रिक्वायर्ड. They try to check your professional acumen, professional thinking, professional attitude. How shall you handle a situation? So case study is nothing but one particular industrial situation, industrial problem, which they will give you and ask you how shall you react to that, how shall you handle that situation. In that they check your innovative thinking, leadership traits, your sensitivity for other people, your professional ethics. They try to check many things. आप जानते हैं इंटरव्यूज में देयर इज अ साइकोलॉजिस्ट सिटिंग इन द इंटरव्यू एंड ही ऑब्जर्व्स यू. सो साइकोलॉजिस्ट विल ट्राई टू सी दैट whether you have professional expertise in handling the situation or not. So they keep on checking those kind of things. So we are providing this case studies, largely previous years case studies which were asked from IOCL, HPCL, and they are very relevant for you. In the interview they will ask you, and the student find this most ticklish to handle this case studies. So the mentors of Yourpedia are going to ask you these things, and they are going to help you how to solve these issues, solve these problems. These case studies, as I told you, are industrial problems, industrial issues, and they are basically asked to help you, to provide you some kind of input. I mean, so to know some of your traits, personality, professional traits about handling of the situations. So we are providing you for 50 such odd case studies. We are providing you more than that, but 50 such odd case studies which are most frequently asked once you go for the interview in IOCL and all. Now these case studies we have divided into couple of categories: industrial safety, accidents, oil accidents or fire accidents. Industrial safety hazard related case studies are very frequently asked. So he will give you some kind of situation like fire breaks out in residential building, 5 floor है and आप भी उसी building में रह रहे हैं. How what steps will you take to handle this situation? So fire breakout related case studies. You are in the night duty in a shop floor and suddenly you find that smoke is coming from one corner and you have only one fellow with you. तो ऐसी situation में, in this kind of situation, what steps will you take? That is also very frequently asked case study. Crowded working public place is there, like restaurant, and you are having dinner. Suddenly you find that in the kitchen one of the LPG cylinders catches the fire. In such situations, what is to be done? That is also the case study. So what steps will you take in case the fire break out in particular place? So आप इस situation में क्या करेंगे? There are some people, including children, old couple, which are to be rescued from some place where the fire has outbroken. So what you will do, what strategy will you take? Firefighting training, how shall you give the training of standard operating procedures to the people or the workers who are working in particular place? So fire should not outbreaks of the fire should not be there. तो उसके प्रिवेंशन के लिए आप वर्क प्लेस में क्या इंश्योर करोगे? आप कहीं पे जॉब कर रहे हैं and then you find that there is no provision to prevent the fire from catching fire, that place catching fire. So what you will do in that situation? आप किसी ऑफिस में और आपने देखा कि वहाँ पे ये प्रोविज़न नहीं है, तो आप क्या करोगे? जैसे आपने देखा होगा कि जब फायर लगती है तो एक सेफ रूट का पता होना चाहिए. व्हाट इज़ अ सेफ रूट? हाउ यू आर टू go through that particular safe route? So how shall you handle that situation? So in oil companies, in energy companies, maximum case studies are related to safety, industrial safety. वो बहुत से questions आपसे पूछते हैं. LPG सिलेंडर घर में है, उसमें आग लग गई, क्या करोगे? अगर शॉर्ट सर्किट हो जाए तो उसको कैसे करोगे? प्रिवेंशन इज बेटर देन क्योर, ये स्टेटमेंट को कैसे इंप्लीमेंट करोगे? प्रिवेंशन इज बेटर देन क्योर, इफ दिस इज द स्टेटमेंट and you have to implement this statement related to fire, this industrial hazards, how you will implement this statement in the industry or the organization in which you are working. So victims of fire flame, suppose you find there is a victim of fire flame burning, उसको बर्न हो गया है, तो कैसे करना है, उसका फर्स्ट एड कैसे हैंडल करोगे. रिफाइनरी या पेट्रोल पंप की जो फायर है, हाउ इट इज डिफरेंट फ्रॉम अदर फायर्स. What is number of fire brigade which you can dial during emergency? This is a HR question. And immediate rescue and relief medical procedures क्या होते हैं अगर फायर बर्निंग हो जाए किसी को. Are you aware of Hazira and Jaipur fire incidents of IOCL? What actions were taken by oil companies government to arrest these kind of incidents, and what is the most recent fire incidents you have heard about the petroleum industry? Yes, so you should be aware about some of the hazardous इंसिडेंट्स विच रिसेंटली टुक प्लेस, जैसे ऑयल IOCL या बाकी ऑयल कंपनी में, वर्ल्ड ओवर ऑयल कंपनीज में, व्हाट आर द हैजार्ड, इंडस्ट्रियल हैजार्ड्स यू हैव हर्ड ऑफ. आपने किसी इंडस्ट्री में सुना है तो व्हाट डू यू नो अबाउट दैट. ये फायर ट्रायंगल एंड वर्टिसेस, व्हाट आर द वर्टिसेस ऑफ फायर ट्रायंगल, आर यू अवेयर अबाउट द वर्टिसेस ऑफ फायर ट्रायंगल. So if the fire breaks at petroleum industries, whom should be informed and who are the stakeholders? Whom are to be informed? I mean, कौन होते हैं स्टेक होल्डर, कौन होते हैं, किसको तुम इंटीमेट करोगे. स्टेक होल्डर्स इन केस ऑफ फायर आउटब्रेक एट द पेट्रोलियम इंडस्ट्रीज. हु इज टू बी इन्फॉर्म्ड, यू आर ऑन द ड्यूटी एंड किसको इन्फॉर्म करना चाहते हैं. मोस्ट कॉमन रीजन क्या होता है फायर ब्रेकआउट का इन पेट्रोलियम इंडस्ट्री, एंड व्हाट एक्शंस द ऑयल कंपनीज टू टेक टू अवॉइड. Imagine there is a oil spillage from the storage tank. Now oil spillage is also one of the very common asked case study. So however spilled product has not yet caught fire, what action should be taken to prevent fire? So आपने देखा कि एक पेट्रोल या ऑयल ले जाने वाला टैंकर का एक्सीडेंट हुआ है ऑन द रोड. यू गो एंड देन यू फाइंड दैट देयर इज a oil tanker and it has met with an accident. Oil tanker has met with an accident, though it has not caught any fire. So what steps should be taken in this situation? You should stop the traffic from coming, or you should let the traffic go because there is a oil there. So what should be done? Those kind of things. And not only protection for human being, but protection of the environment is also to be seen in these cases. That case study, protection of the environment case study is also asked in that. So should a person enter in the petroleum tank for its cleaning and maintenance? If no, what should be done? Process मतलब जो पेट्रोलियम टैंक है उसकी मेंटेनेंस कैसे की जाती है. Okay, so what is more prone to fire, liquid petroleum product or its vapors? What is the reason? Consider you need to do welding on product pipeline. What precaution will you take to prevent fire? Obviously welding में आप जानते हैं spark produce होता है. Are you aware of fire hydrant system for a building? Have you seen them in malls, offices, high rising building? What is purpose of fire hydrant system? Fire hydrant system में से बहुत बार कई क्वेश्चन पूछा गया है फायर हाइड्रेंट सिस्टम से. You know what is the behavioral based safety, BBS? Can mobile phone cause fire at petrol pump? Instructions क्या होते हैं? Can you use mobile phone at petrol pump? पेट्रोल पंप पे कौन कौन सी इंस्ट्रक्शंस होती हैं? You cannot smoke a cigarette obviously, but can you use mobile phone there on the petrol pump? And can mobile phone be harmful for पेट्रोल पंप? और जब पेट्रोल पंप फिलिंग होता है, जब फिलिंग ऑफ द पेट्रोल पंप होता है, तो क्या इंस्ट्रक्शन दिए जाते हैं फिलिंग ऑफ द पेट्रोल पंप का? इंस्ट्रक्शन उस टाइम पे क्या दिए जाते हैं? व्हाट आर द इंस्ट्रक्शन गिवन ऑन द फिलिंग ऑफ द पेट्रोल पंप? Okay, so this is how it is to be done, and prevention is better than cure. Okay, prevention is better than cure. So how shall you implement this in your workplace? Prevention is better than cure. So how shall you implement in your workplace? If you have to design and implement industrial hazard safety training module for employees, how shall you do that? Industrial hazard safety training module. तो अगर आपने ऐसा को मॉड्यूल बनाना है एम्प्लॉइज के लिए, हाउ शैल यू डू दैट? हाउ कैन यू मेक पीपल अवेयर अबाउट इंडस्ट्रियल सेफ्टी एंड हैजार्डस इंसिडेंट्स? व्हाट प्रोविजन मस्ट बी मेड फॉर फर्स्ट एड फैसिलिटी फॉर द एम्प्लॉइज? तो जो इंडस्ट्री में एम्प्लॉइज हैं, एंड रिमेंबर फ्रेंड्स, व्हेन केस स्टडीज आर गिवन टू यू, प्लीज वेरी केयरफुली लिसन द क्वेश्चन, बिकॉज इट मे बी रिलेटेड टू ऑयल कंपनी और IOCL, इट मे नॉट बी रिलेटेड टू ऑयल कंपनी, इट मे बी जनरल केस स्टडी. So this first aid facilities for employees is a general case study. what special provision are made for physically challenged individual? So obviously in the industry what you will make them, अगर suppose आग लग जाए, कुछ ऐसा हो जाए, तो physically challenged जो लोग हैं उनकी protection के लिए what special you are to do? So can you name some industrial hazard and how can you make your organization hazardous free? Suppose one employee gets hurt during job due to industry टेकन. सो कंपनसेशन से रिलेटेड भी क्वेश्चन पूछता है कि कंपनसेशन कैसे दी जाती है. कंपनसेशन गिवन टू समवन हु गेट्स इंजर्ड ड्यूरिंग द जॉब. कोई जॉब कर रहा है और उसमें उसको इंजरी हो जाता है, तो उसको कंपनसेशन किस तरीके से दिया जाता है. सो दैट इज ऑल्सो वेरी कॉमनली आस्क्ड क्वेश्चन टू यू. सो सेल्स केस स्टडीज आर नेक्स्ट. सो हैजार्डस, फायर हजार्ड और नॉर्मल हजार्ड से रिलेटेड जो केस स्टडीज हैं, इंडस्ट्रियल सेफ्टी से रिलेटेड केस स्टडीज हैं, दे आर आस्क्ड मैक्सिमम, फॉलोड बाय सेल्स केस स्टडीज, मार्केटिंग केस स्टडीज, बिजनेस डेवलपमेंट केस स्टडीज एंड इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर यूटिलाइजेशन केस स्टडीज. So these are the case studies which are normally asked in IOCL and oil companies interviews. So how shall you help promoter? Promoter means the owner of petrol pump who is taking care of petrol pump, whose sales are continuously decreasing for past couple of months. So how shall you help him as a sales executive? Suggest some sales promotion strategies for selling more petrol and product of IOCL which does not involve much investment. So we'll always ask you to tell some strategies, marketing and sales strategies in which money is not to be invested, so much resources are not to be invested. How can you help petrol pump owner to enhance his revenue using his infrastructure at the petrol pump? So petrol pump mein there is an infrastructure, so how shall you help the petrol pump owner to increase the revenue? How can you increase sales of LPG cylinder in particular locality where other service providers of LPG cylinder are also available? So it is like he will ask you that आप कौन सा LPG सिलेंडर लेते हैं, which LPG सिलेंडर do you take? से हम तो HPCL का लेते हैं, तो आप किसी को कैसे प्रमोट करेंगे वो इंडेन ले ले. Some particular family is already taking, household is already taking this LPG cylinder. So what will you tell to the person to take Indian cylinder? Or suppose somebody is taking the petrol pump from some petrol pump. How shall you convince him to start taking petrol from IOCL petrol pump, not from the other petrol pumps? What will you do that? So strategies to increase the sale of newly launched product. IOCL is launching a new product, so how shall you suggest the strategies? IOCL recently started छोटू सिलेंडर, छोटे वाला सिलेंडर, तो बताओ इसकी सेल्स को कैसे प्रमोट करें. Sales strategy, newly launched product will be different from well established product. So it may be that your organization already has a product which is selling good and then you are launching a new product. तो दोनों की sales strategy कैसे different होंगी, how they are different. Suppose there is a petrol pump on highway which is selling far better than expected targets. Why the owner of petrol pump should invest in sales team if he is already selling good? So as a sales executive, what advice will you give to someone who is already selling good? Someone who is not selling good, obviously you will advise him, but he is not having money. So as sales executive, what strategies will you give to someone who is not selling good but does not have money to sell? Someone who is already selling good has money to invest on sales, but why he should invest money on sales when he is already selling good? प्रॉफिट मेकिंग ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का जो सेल्स स्ट्रेटजी है वो लॉस मेकिंग से कैसे अलग है? हैव यू एवर सोल्ड एनीथिंग इन लाइफ? हाउ शैल यू कन्विंस योर फैमिली टू शिफ्ट ओवर टू LPG सिलेंडर विच इज इंडेन फ्रॉम ऑलरेडी जो सिलेंडर वो ले रहे हैं, तो उसको छोड़ो और इंडेन का लो. सेल्स ऑफिसर के एथिक्स क्या होते हैं? एवरीथिंग इज फेयर इन लव, वॉर एंड सेल्स. क्या तुम इस स्टेटमेंट से एग्री करते हो? एंड इफ यस, व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ दैट? व्हाट आर टिपिकल पर्सनैलिटी ट्रेट्स ऑफ अ गुड सेल्स एग्जीक्यूटिव? Suppose you have no temperament or interest in sales, still IOCL makes you sales executive. What will you do? If the promoter of petrol pump is not interested in increasing sales, will you be? If yes, what actions will you take in that particular situation? Suppose वो बोलता है मेरे को नहीं sales promote करनी है, तो आप उसको क्या करेंगे? What will you do in that particular situation? How do you think sales is different from marketing? And now this is a marketing case studies. So marketing case studies of IOCL are little different from sales case studies. Some cheap marketing strategies, as I told you, the maximum questions case studies they will ask you from cheap marketing strategies क्या हो सकता है? Social media platforms, what are you using nowadays? website of IOCL. So can you tell who is the director of marketing? What was his background? That is HR question. Newly launched product of IOCL in particular locality, उसकी marketing बताओ कैसे करेंगे? जो mechanics हैं particular area में, to market lubricant launched by your company has launched some lubricant, and mechanics in the particular locality, you have to convince them that okay, they start selling this. How shall you do that? What should be the traits of marketing manager? अगर कोई marketing manager है, उसके traits क्या होने चाहिए? So what do you think about that? How much fund of organization should be invested on marketing? You have started your venture and have limited resources with you. What percentage of total budget should be invested on marketing? तो आपने अगर कोई ऐसा start किया है some venture and आपके पास ज़्यादा resource नहीं है, तो कैसे आप कितना % budget invest करेंगे? What do you think marketing is important for well established product which public is already ready to purchase? मतलब अगर कोई well established product है, already that product is selling, that is already good, so why you will market that product? So if already the product is selling, so why you should spend money on marketing? Like Coca-Cola is a typical example of that. Like there are some companies which spend lot of money on marketing, lot of budget, but then there are companies which do not sell much on these kind of products. How shall you choose marketing team for you, and what traits you will prefer in your marketing executives? So how the marketing strategies will change with the region and with the product. So product to product, region to region, marketing strategies are same or different. If you are assigned task of marketing by IOCL but you have literally no idea about it nor any past experience, how shall you cope up? So अगर आपको marketing का कोई task दिया है, लेकिन if you don't know, you have never done marketing, but you are given some task of marketing, so how shall you handle that particular situation? Tell us why you should be assigned the marketing task and why you should not be assigned particular task. Minimum marketing and maximum impact, I mean minimum budget on marketing but maximum impact of that. So can you share with us any of the case study which is related to this? So sales and marketing, what is common things and what are different things in that? So why we should consider you for marketing profile? So develop some kind of strategy where minimum budget is given to you but still you have to do marketing. So in the petroleum companies, what is the role of marketing officer? What do you think is the role of marketing officer and what is the role of sales officer in marketing companies? Now some case studies in IOCL will be asked related to infrastructure of petrol pump, the land you have, the resource you have, the infrastructure which you have, some case studies related to that. So what is the typical layout of petrol pumps? Why buildings are generally kept at the rear? Rear means पीछे की तरफ. Why government and oil companies are setting up large number of petrol pumps nowadays? So what is the need of so many oil pumps, petrol pumps? So if you want to set up a new petrol pump in particular area, how shall you make the assessment whether a new petrol pump should be created there or not? On what basis you will decide that? What is the future of petrol pump do you see considering depletion of fossil fuels? And not only that, fossil fuels nowadays, as you know, climate change is happening, global warming is produced by burning of the fossil fuel. So what do you think is the future of that? From whom do you think Indian Air Force, Army, Navy take the fuel, and will you focus more on public customer or such bulk customer? From where do you think petrol pump get oil, and how can you reduce transportation cost to the petrol pumps? Do you know how the petrol pump is carried, in which container it is carried, and what is so special about those containers? And जब accident होता है तो उन containers का precaution क्या ली जानी चाहिए? What are the typical facilities in petrol pump? Is there any common color scheme among them like HPCL, BPCL, Reliance and IOCL? इनके petrol pumps के color coding क्या होता है? What is the color coding? Also, suppose a tanker is to take the petrol from one place to another, from refinery to some place. So what are the precautions taken? They have to travel 2000 kilometers. So what precautions are taken? At what time during the day they should travel, so to avoid lot of heat and so the petrol does not catch fire or something? What should be done? In petrol diesel charged under GST, is this under GST or not? How construction of the petrol pump be faster? I mean, how can construction of petrol pump be made faster? Have you seen any private company petrol pumps? Why Reliance and other private companies are not opening lot of petrol pumps? Now Reliance has started opening, and that you should see. The promoter of petrol pump has sufficient land near his petrol pump which further is situated on highway. So what can you suggest him so that he increases the resources? So to enhance his income, a petrol pump promoter or owner says that I have a lot of land and my petrol pump is on highway, and how can I make use of my land so that conflict of interest does not come with the company and I can increase my resources? And what is the benefit of oil company or IOCL in this? Then friends, customer service related case studies are also there. Like have you heard of premium petrol or diesel on petrol pump they sell? So how shall you convince the customer to take these instead of regular petrol without making them realize that you are promoting a new product? Name some service which you can provide on petrol pump to attract the customer without much investment. I mean, why a customer will come to your petrol pump again and again when the petrol sold in every petrol pump is almost at the same cost? So don't say quality of the petrol because that gets ensured by the refining process, तो quality almost same होती है. लेकिन how shall you pull the customer in your direction, because other petrol pumps are also public sector companies and selling at the same cost. So the most commonly asked case study is when the petrol cost is same and the customer can go to any petrol pump. How shall you attract him to your petrol pump? Customer service is one of the reason on the basis of which customer can come to you. So how shall you ensure that? So what is the relevance of customer service? Why price of petrol diesel is same on petrol pump from different oil companies? What could be the reason of inclination of customer to particular petrol pump, and how can you shift them to IOCL petrol pump? Are selling rates of petrol diesel for public or bulk customers same? Whom do you think would be cheaper? How will you prevent theft if there is a rate difference? So will you convince the market mechanic, there is a mechanics in the market, to use servo lube in place of others even if price of servo is higher? So servo lube is a, let's say, product of a company and it is costly, it is good quality but costly. So how shall you convince the motor mechanic, because motor mechanics are a big market, so how shall you convince them to take this particular product? Now product and business development case studies, I mean where new product is to be launched and you have to develop the business for that product. If you are given responsibility to plan and execute a new product for customer, how shall you identify what shall be the new product? So suppose IOCL gives you responsibility, like think of what can be the new product of IOCL. We want to diversify into new product domain. How shall you think it of? How will you make different marketing strategy for different products? This Chotu cylinder is made for those people who cannot purchase a large size cylinder because for which permission is required, there may be long delay or there is a waiting for that. So छोटू सिलेंडर एक बहुत छोटे साइज का होता है, स्टूडेंट्स के लिए बना है वो. तो इसका मार्केटिंग कैसे की जानी चाहिए? What are the products typically sold on a petrol pump? How shall you make strategies to create business through dealers and mechanics in particular area which is identified by the company? Suggest the steps which you will take to spread awareness among customers related to some new products to be launched by the company. You have to hire business development team of 5 members for spreading the business in particular area. So what trait will you see in members of this team? And you have to hire the business development team. So जो business को develop करे उस team को आपको hire करना है, तो आप क्या देखेंगे उसमें? What traits will you see in that? Suppose you find that target set for business development may not be met. What will you do in this particular situation? Your boss calls you and provides crucial business assignment project to be completed with very small team handled by you. You have no experience of this project. How shall you proceed forward? So friends, ये कुछ केस स्टडीज़ हैं जो आप एक बार ले लो और इनसे आपके बहुत से जो इंटरव्यू के क्वेश्चन और बहुत से ग्रुप टास्क के क्वेश्चन सॉर्ट आउट होंगे जब मेंटर्स योरपीडिया के आपके साथ एक मेंटर आपका जो एचआर हैं वो केस स्टडीज़ के ऊपर आपसे बात करेंगे, वो आपसे डिस्कस करेंगे केस स्टडीज़ के ऊपर. सो स्टार्ट डिस्कसिंग विद द मेंटर ऑन द केस स्टडीज़ बिकॉज दे आर वेरी वेरी क्रूशियल केस स्टडीज़. सो टेक दिस डॉक्यूमेंट, स्टार्ट थिंकिंग ऑन इट, हाउ शैल यू हैंडल दीज सिचुएशंस. ये अलग अलग सिचुएशन की केस स्टडीज़ हैं और बाकी जो केस स्टडीज़ हैं वो हम ग्रुप टास्क के जो आपको पूरे का पूरा ग्रुप टास्क प्रोवाइड करेंगे, लिस्ट प्रोवाइड करेंगे, उसमें उन केस स्टडीज़ को डिस्कस किया गया है. सो प्रिपेयर इट रियली वेल. HPCL और IOCL दोनों में बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होती हैं केस स्टडीज़. आपको इनका आइडिया होना चाहिए बिकॉज इंटरव्यू में वो सडनली आपसे छोटा सा एक क्वेश्चन पूछता है एंड वट एवर आंसर यू विल गिव दैट विल हैव अ लॉट ऑफ इम्पैक्ट. सो केस स्टडीज़ आप जानते हैं HR ऑयल कंपनी का जो इंटरव्यू है लार्जली दैट इज HR 70%, उसमें केस स्टडीज बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. सो रिवाइज दिस फ्रेंड्स, टेक दिस डॉक्यूमेंट एंड डिस्कस विद द मेंटर्स. ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट. लेट्स प्रिपेयर फॉर इंटरव्यूज ऑफ IUCL. थैंक यू.